Spark your young engineer's creativity with the 63-piece Simple Machine Set. This set helps your budding engineers develop important STEM skills such as constructing, creating structures, and learning how they make work easier. The Simple Machine Set comes with enough pieces to build a pulley, lever, axle, inclined plane, wedge, and wheels that can all be constructed at the same time. Students can then modify the machines with weights and rubber bands to explore the effects of effort, force, load, motion, and distance on each machine. Use the included activity guide or further supplement your lessons with activity cards that are sold separately. The pieces are labeled to support assembly of each machine, and then the parts separate for storage. Young engineers love to create with the Simple Machine Set from Learning Resources.